Vaughn Marie here, and welcome back to the Imagine Crafts YouTube channel. So we are going to make a summertime card today, and these beautiful inks make this card so much fun. And I grabbed out some sponge daubers, but I'm not going to use them all. And this ink is in VersaFine Clair, and it's Golden Meadow, and it's a pigment ink. And it's just really pretty, and I loved it for using it on this card today. And I just always love these VersaFine Clair inks, and I'm even going to use one of the new ones on this card today. I love the new ink colors, and I hope you have seen them because they're so pretty. And melon soda is my favorite of them, although it's hard to make a favorite, but I love green. So here is summertime, and VersaFine Clair, there are so many colors. Oh my gosh, I need to catch up and get some more colors. And I'm just adding some of this summertime onto this this background here, and it's just really pretty. I love orange and yellow together. And then we will add our next color. So we have the yellow and the orange there, and then I have the pretty new blue here, which is Adriatic Sea, and just going to add the rest of that to my card. And really pretty. And I've used I'm starting to use this blue for water and for sky. It's just really pretty. It's called a sea, but so I think it's just perfect. It's just the perfect blue. And that's why I've been having these inks on my desk, because I just keep reaching for them. And so I'm almost done to where I think I am liking how it's looking. And I just want to make sure it was really blended in. Okay, and then I will spritz some water on here. I'm not sure it made too much of a difference, but it was fun to spritz it a little bit. And then I will use a paper towel to grab the water, and my camera is trying to focus. It doesn't know what's going on here. And it kind of looks like it kind of blended a little. Looks a little wet. It'll dry. But that's a fun background. I like it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and ink smush the rest of this ink here, because why not? I'm just trying to do a little mixed media here, and then I didn't want to waste any ink. I could have used it on another background as well, but I just decided to ink smush it and let it dry. So I'm going to use this fun air balloon image with these cute critters, and for summertime I think this is fun. I would love to do this in the summer, and I am actually using these Fanta sticks, and they're in different sizes, and I'm using them with my ink here with the Radiant Neon Warm 4, and it just really colored really pretty with those. I was really impressed. So I did use the orange and the yellow on there, so I believe it is electric orange and electric yellow. And there are different sizes, but there's one size I liked more than the other. And So I might have to get that size again because, I mean, get it. If I can use them with all my inks, that's perfect to color with your inks. And I thought this, the summertime would be really, really excellent for this, to finish up this air balloon. And I just love the way it came out. It looks like marker. So really, really fun. And I will list these down below for you because you might want to try them with your inks, with especially if you have some like VersaFine Clair or any of the inks from Imagine Crafts. So I fussy cut that balloon, and then I thought it was fun to use a wobbler, and then I cut the background out with a postcard die. And then my sentiment says chill vibes. So I think it's a fun summer card. And I will just glue everything to an A2 card base at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. But look at this spin. It's so much fun. I couldn't stop spinning it. And so I'll add my sentiment here, and then I will glue my panel to my A2 card base. But I love how this background turned out, and I'm just gluing it to the side here, grabbing my liquid glue. And I loved using those Fanta sticks to color in my air balloon. So much fun. And then I'm using another new product, another new to me product. It's going to be, let me see, it's a sheer shimmer sticks, dauber, and it's in silver. So it says top silver. So I will share that, and I'm going to add some sequins with my on point glue, and then I'll add that silver, and it's like a shimmer. So really, really pretty. And I'm gonna have to see if there's other colors, because if there's gold, then here it is. Isn't it amazing? You just daub it on there, so when you get some instant shimmer. So much fun. And here is a close-up. So thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.